day 2 of the beam switcheroo. I'm Gary with VW Jawbreaker and
Levi with Levi's Backyard.
That's right, my sidekick's with me once again. So today, we're going to be installing the beam on Jawbreaker. That's right. Believe it or not, don't tell anybody my secret, but it's a reverse process of disassembly. Imagine that.
Let's get to work.
Let's do it. Well, the beam's in-ish. Problem is, if you can see, it's kind of away from the frame head right there. Get you in there, see? Right there. It's away from the frame head. Won't fit. Shock towers are hitting the inner part of the body because I measured it and it's a 4-inch narrowed, not a 2-inch narrowed like I thought. So we got the jack holding it up. Thanks, Jack. Appreciate you holding it up. After much persuasion and a little bit of having a clearance there for the shock towers, finally got the beam in, finally got it locked down. So that's a plus. Yay. One step forward. Same thing over there. Had to clearance it in just a little bit. So anyway, beam's in. We got the rag joint hooked up. Now we're gonna move on to putting the spindles on and then assembling tie rods, brakes, all that. So, hey, one step forward. All right, we're at a stopping point today. Spindles are on, but da-da-da-da.
No nuts, man, no nuts. Here's the issue.
The issue is old nut from the old ball joint, right? Goes on and then stops. Goes on, a few turns and stops. Why does it do that? It's because this from the old ball joint is a number 12 by 1.5 thread. And what you know, this is a number 12 by 1.25 thread. Yeah, we're going to the hardware store tomorrow to see if we can find some nuts. But at least the beam's in, so that's a plus. Looks nice. May have to actually find some shocks this time if this beam actually articulates properly. So till then, yeah, I'll bring it back when I can find something. Well, we got the tie rods assembled. As you can see, old set, blown out, new set with new tie rods. This is, somebody actually took and welded it together. And actually what they did is they cut this one 2 inches shorter, the long one 2 inches shorter, which then accounts for the 4-inch total narrow of the beam. So each side needs to be shortened 2 inches. So how I set my tie rods up is I took a measurement from the outside here, the outside here, subtracted 2 inches, and got my tie rod set up. That way, for alignment purposes, I'll be really close. It shouldn't be that far off. It's just a matter of doing some fine tuning. So always measure your tie rod assemblies first if you're going to use your existing tie rods. Like if I was going to use this existing knuckle here, I would measure my overall, put my two new tie rods on, and get those as close as I can to that measurement, so therefore my alignment should be really, really close, almost spot on. So we're getting there. Definitely getting there. Got spindles on. Went down to the local hardware store. Got some nuts. Those are
Locking nuts, if you will. Lock nuts? Nylon? Lock nuts? Sure, we'll go with that.
So we're another step closer. Just gotta wait for the heat of the day to back off some so we can get the garage door opened up and get some work done. All right, we're back. As you can see, of course, back together. Got a tape measure, a line. Got it about 1/8 of an inch. Tires definitely sit a little further in, which is nice. 2 inches on both sides. So let's put in a gas tank and get ready to take it for a ride, I guess. All right, there we go. 4-inch narrow beam on the front. It's looking nice. Let's get this stance. I dig it. I dig it. Oh yeah, listen to that baby. All right, guys. Until the next time, be good.